Good morning, everyone. Hope you are all fine. Today we will discuss the techniques to overcome procrastination. Procrastination is one of the fundamental issues faced most of the people in the world, which ultimately affect person's academic, job, and other domains' functionings.
Overcoming procrastination requires a combination of strategies and self-discipline. Here is a list of techniques you can use to stop procrastination in your daily life activities. 1. Define specific and achievable goals for each task or activity. 2. Break larger tasks into smaller. 3. Use techniques like the Eisenhower matrix to categorize tasks as urgent important. 4. Write down tasks and prioritize them. 5. Important not urgent, urgent not important, or neither. 6. Check off items as you complete them for a sense of accomplishment. 7. Pomodoro technique, work for 25, then take a 5 minutes 8. Time blocking, allocate specific time blocks for different tasks. 9. Put away or silence devices, close unnecessary tabs, and create a clutter-free workspace. 10. Aim for progress, not perfection. 11. Accept that tasks may not always be flawless. 12. Avoid overloading yourself with too many tasks in a short time frame. 13. Consider the negative outcomes of procrastination, such as missed opportunities or added stress. 14. Stay present and focused on the task at hand to avoid wandering thoughts. 15. Keep a journal or digital tracker to monitor your daily accomplishments.